Hybrid paint coating. Polysiloxane. So this week's hot new product is a bunch of products, actually. Thanks to Meguiar's Detailing for sending us all of this stuff here. I think it's a little bit of everything, so I'm just gonna go through and see what we've got. So I'll save the bucket for a minute. One thing they've sent is the paste wax. This is really cool. It's a pretty revolutionary wax for your car. It's also available in liquid form if you don't like the paste, but it is very easy to use and very, very good at paint protection. What do we have here? This is another paint protection product, the hybrid paint coating. This offers over a year of paint protection. It's a whole kit, actually. I think the kit includes a few things. Yeah, so it has a surface prep bottle, it has a hybrid paint coating aerosol, and then it's got the applicator pad and 2 microfibers. So this is everything you need to apply a year's worth of paint protection, over a year's worth, actually. And lastly, in the box form here, is the hybrid ceramic clay kit. So I think I saw something in here. It's gonna contain one of these, which is their super sweet ceramic detailer. And in addition, it has a Supreme Shine microfiber towel and the synthetic clay pad. So that's something new. The synthetic clay pad is a soft foam applicator with fine-tuned rubber polymer technology on one side, and it's dialed in to effectively remove bonded contaminants without hazing the paint. So it's essentially a clay bar that you can use multiple times. It's synthetic clay. Very cool little piece of technology. Also really good, as you can see, the theme with Meguiar's is paint protection in addition to the detailing stuff. So these go hand in hand. If I can move these over. Right off the hop in the bucket. Always good, the hybrid wash mitt. I don't know if you can see it from there. It has 2 sides. So you can do washing and paint protection application with the one mitt. So the washing side is going to be the orange side, and the waxing side is the gray side, a plush microfiber that grabs hold of the ceramic SiO2 boost in the bucket. So the SiO2 is going to be their ceramic coating technology. So we have Meguiar's Ultimate line, Insane Shine. This is definitely one of the best tire shines on the market. It makes them look brand new. It looks newer than brand new. This is a bit of a legacy product for these guys. They've been doing the cool tire shine for a long time. Tried and true. Boy. Another product that's been with Meguiar's for a while is their wash and wax, but now updated for the hybrid ceramic. So again, this is about paint protection and giving yourself a ceramic coat that's gonna make water beading perfect. So you may notice that this has 2 lids and 2 chambers, if you can see the divider here. So the large side is the hybrid ceramic wash, and then right here, you've got ceramic SiO2 boost. So it's essentially a wax additive that's gonna give you the water beading. This is an all-in-one kit, so you can wash and wax all at one time with the benefits of the ceramic coating developed by Meguiar's. Something that's been around for a while, but has been recently formulated to be even better. If your car has already been washed or you've already done your paint protection, this is gonna be your quick detailer. So you come home from a drive and you've accumulated just a little bit of dust. This is a simple spray on and wipe off with ease, detail your car, and it's Meguiar's, so you know it's really good. It's also pink, and I've noticed a lot of this stuff smells really good, so I bet this does too. And it's a professional strength detailer, so you know, bird droppings or something that gets on you from a tree that you parked under, this will take care of it. Another really cool piece is the hybrid ceramic wax. Everybody that we know that's used this stuff loves it. So this features hybrid ceramic technology that uses a high viscosity formula and the power of your rinse water to help coat your car's exterior surfaces. You can actually see the water beads as you rinse this thing off. Once again, this is SiO2 hybrid ceramic protection. So as you can see, almost everything here is about protecting your paint while it details. Really does it all. And thanks for the gifts, guys, because this is awesome. I think everybody in the office is gonna take some of this home. They also gave us this really sweet wash bucket with the drainage thing at the bottom. I need one of these, so this is mine. I'm taking this home with me. Because a lot of people might not know exactly what I was just showing, this thing is designed to separate the dirt and the stuff that's coming off as you're washing your car. You put it to the bottom, separating the contaminants from the water. So when you're dipping your super sweet wash mitt or whatever you're using back into your solution, you're not bringing the contaminants back up and onto your car, which can do damage to your paint. So that's really helpful. So what you're looking at here is just a small variety of the incredibly large amount of products that Meguiar's offers. Obviously right now, ceramic stuff is key, ceramic paint protection, ceramic coating. super popular, and Meguiar's has done a great job with all of it. They're really checking all the boxes with this gift pack that they sent us. If you want to see what else they offer or get your hands on some of what you saw here, head on over to meguiars.com and see what they've got for you. In the meantime, this is going on my car.